Oh gosh. Woo. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha Talia, and the struggle is real. So today's video is all about June's Boxycharm. And if you didn't know, for the month of June, it is their time of the month for Boxyluxe. And I did switch over to Boxyluxe to get it quarterly. So this is my first time getting a Boxyluxe. With Boxycharm, you usually pay 21 bucks a month, but when it comes to the quarterly, they have it down where you pay like 50 bucks, and the products are worth $300. So we get this big old box, which I'm excited. I haven't used any of the products in here, so I'm gonna see what I can use today, because I actually did a video before this one of doing this. Oh my god, this chair, of doing this look. I'll go ahead and link it above. That way, if you're interested on seeing how I got this eye look, then you can click on that thing above to watch it. But let's get into our Boxycharm. I'm super excited. So let's open this bad boy up. There's so much stuff in here, super heavy. So this month's theme is getaway. Don't we all just want to get away from our life? Our reality. Anyways, there's a lot of stuff in this Boxycharm. Let's get into it, because I've been wanting to like test everything out. I only tested one thing, actually. I think I said I didn't test anything, but I tested one thing. And let's go ahead and start with that, because it's pretty bomb. It feels great on the lips, and it's the Dominique Cosmetics. This is the lip gloss. Pretty packaging. And then the shade that I got is it's called Strawberry, so it's like a pinky-ish color. It pretty much has high shine. This is the packaging. Like, I love her packaging. This is my first time ever using anything from her brand, and this is really cute. And you guys, this stuff smells so freaking good. Like, I'm obsessed on the way this smells. If you guys go to Sephora, open their testers and just smell, because it just smells so good. I don't even know how to describe it. It's not like a super like cakey like smell, but like it smells good. So trust me on that one. This one does retail for $17, so not too shabby. Let's keep on moving. And let's see what else. I'm just gonna start just grabbing random stuff, because there's so much stuff in this box that it's just too good. I just need to grab whatever comes out. So the next thing that I have here is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. This is what the outside packaging looks like. And this is the HA Resurfacing Night Serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. So let's see how much this retails for. This is, oh, y'all, this is $58. This thing is 58 bucks. So I already got the bang for my buck with this one product. So yeah, this stuff is just worth it. This is what the actual packaging looks like. I have never used Pharmacy's products. I feel like I got something in the past from Boxycharm, but I don't think I don't know if I actually tried it, or if I even got something. I could be making that up. I don't know. But this is so cool. It comes with a nice pump, so that's convenient. I'm super excited to try that, because I love a night serum. That is pretty cool. It's to hydrate your skin. So I'm all about hydrating my skin, because it's been, y'all, my skin has been dry AF, like super dry. Moving on. The next thing we have in our Boxycharm is no Porblum Prime Essence Touch and Soul. So this is from Touch and Soul, and we did get something in our last Boxycharm as well. This is, let me see, doesn't really say much about it on the packaging. Let me see what it says on the paper. Touch and Soul. So let's let your makeup stay a while with your Touch and Soul, no problem. That's so hard to say, no problem. I don't know. Prime Essence infused with calendula of flower extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. And this retails for $23. So we're gonna try this out a little later on. It sounds like it's very liquidy, and it doesn't come with a pump. It's like it's just a squeezy tube. I've never seen a product shaped like that before. Let's go ahead and just try it. Okay, let's try it out on our hand. It's very runny. It smells like shampoo. It smells like a shampoo that I used to use. So it doesn't smell bad, it smells pretty good. So it kind of leaves like a little shine. It feels nice on the skin. Yeah, compared to my other hand that feels hella dry, this side feels smooth. So that's good. Okay, next thing that we have is Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. And this, y'all, everything from Boxycharm is full size. That is the best thing about Boxycharm. You're not getting little small little package things or anything like that. You're getting full size. So you're getting the full value. This is 29 bucks. So this is gonna give you volume in your hair. It is a spray, a powerful spray. So there's that. Next thing we have, there's a lot of shit in here, you guys. The next thing we have is the oh my gosh. The next thing we have is a Biotic Balancing Complex Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. So this is from Dr. Brandt, and we do get a lot of stuff from Dr. Brandt in the Boxycharm, and this retails for $35, which is great. This says it's for all skin types, so that's amazing. Let's see, does it have a smell? Oh, it has a little covering on here, which is great because you know no one used it. Doesn't really smell like much, it just smells like clean. Excited to use that. I love stuff for my skin because we gotta keep the skin looking good. The next thing that's very interesting is the Tristique. I think that's how you say it. Let me find on here because I've never heard of this brand before. This is Good Vibes Mascara. So this is a mascara. This retails for 25 bucks. There is a seal on here. It tells you how to use. I'll read that later. I'm gonna use it. So let's see, you can open, flip down to curl. So you can curl, y'all, you can curl your lashes. If you don't got one of those thingies to curl your lashes, this is a 2-for-1 special. So that's pretty cool. And then, oh, I guess you keep that top off, and then you just twist it. And then here is the mascara. The wand looks really nice. Looks like a good wand. I don't know why I smelled it. It smells like mascara. I don't really use these things because I'm clumsy. So probably like pinch my skin or something. But I know a lot of people that do use this, and you know, if their lashes aren't curled, it curls their lashes. So that's awesome. The next thing we have is Skin & Co. The Truffle Therapy Aqua. Oh wait, that's a different language. the truffle. Let me read something else that I can read. Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. Radiant Dew. Excuse you. Radiant Dew. Y'all, I love dewy skin. I think you guys should know this if you do watch my videos. Your girl likes dewy skin. So let's see. This is, where's this at on this paper? This is 35 bucks. I want to try it out. All right. Whoa. They weren't lying about the refresh mist because y'all, it smells like peppermint. So I don't know if you would have your eyes open when you spray it, like it's not burning or anything like that. It does feel refreshing. It feels nice. I actually like this. Let me see what else it says, because this is pretty dope. Glow inducing tonic. Yeah, I'm like into this. This is just going back here. I'm gonna use that for my makeup. One of the great like brands that is like that we know of, that is a known cosmetics brand, is Tarte. And I got the Pro Glow Cheek Palette. And for their Boxycharm, you got to, you know, if you were early enough, you got to choose what you wanted. So I wanted either the, I think they had the blusher or the Pro Glow. So I chose one of those and they gave me the blusher one. And it does look like it comes with a bronzer and all your highlighters. Kind of like some blushes at the top part as well, pretty much to get your glow on. And it has two cute mirrors on the side and it's magnetic. So this retails for 45 bucks. Y'all, this Boxycharm is like the shit. It's dope. I really like this. This is nice. Okay, Boxycharm. So the last, let me make sure. The last item that we have in our Boxyluxe, y'all are probably not gonna believe this, but we got the PYT Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer. Y'all, this retails for $85. It retails for $85 for a mini turbo blow dryer. And it comes like with the little diffuser thing. Cute. I don't even know what color I got. I know they had like different colors. And it comes in a nice cute like silky bag. Oh gosh. Comes with one of the so it comes with two attachments. Oh cute. Mine is like a, what do you call this color? Like a pinky, no, it's not even pinky, like a salmon coral. That's the shade. Coral color. Y'all, this is cute. Dang, this thing is $85. That's crazy. This is really cute when you're traveling and stuff. See, Boxycharm knows what's up. That's why it's called the Getaway. You got everything, you got stuff for your hair. Y'all, I can't even fit all this stuff back in my box. Like, what? I'm such a messy person. But I love what I got in this month's Boxycharm. Pretty lit in this box. Like, it's, you got a lot of good stuff if you got your Boxycharm. If you are not part of Boxycharm, I will leave my link down below. That way, if you're interested in seeing their page and want to become a Boxycharm subscriber to them to get your Boxycharms every month, I'll go ahead and link my stuff down below. That way, you know, you can become part of the Boxycharm family and get some goodies that are well worth your money, because this is like over like 300 bucks and I only paid like 50 bucks for it, which is amazing and a good deal. And I am the type of person that loves good deals. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my Boxycharm of what I got this month. Let me know what you got down below for your Boxycharm if you get your Boxycharms every month. I want to know what you got because I know everyone gets something different in their stuff. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.